When I graduated from law school, I had, some practical experience because I was a legal aid intern. But beyond that, I really didn't have practical skills training. And when I did my first deposition out in practice, I didn't know what I was doing. And I thought, we really need to do a better job at preparing students to go out there and practice. And I attended the NETA program, which is the National Institute of Trial Advocacy. And NETA does training programs in deposition skills for lawyers who have some experience. I did that. It was a great experience, and I came out of there thinking, if I could do this for the law school in some way so that students at least have some exposure to the skill of taking depositions, and that's exactly what we should do.
I've taken it because I thought it would be extremely practical and helpful to practice. I've tried to take advantage of every sort of skills opportunity, and I thought this was sort of a really good one.
Along the same lines, I heard a lot of good things about it. So far, they all seem to be true. Very helpful. I think in going in the real world, it's going to be a good tool to have taken this class workshop.
The idea behind an intensive 4-day program is that there's research out there that provides that if you're learning a skill, you learn better in an intensive environment where all you're doing for a certain period of time is practicing that skill. So the idea is that we do it in an intensive format. We start with a classroom component. We just cover some technique. We try to give them a very good sense of, all right, this is what the rule is and this is what it means in practice. So we do that for probably, 5 hours or so, intensive classroom work. Starting on Monday morning for 2.5 days, we do the workshops. And there's a total of 10 workshops, and they're split up in groups of 6. So each attorney faculty member will work with 6 students. And the idea is that the students take and defend, and they even serve as witnesses, and that gives them some experience in witness preparation too for a deposition.
I'll be working in a trial department at a firm, so I think depositions is something that I'm going to be experiencing, and so this class I think is very helpful in preparing me for that.
This is the 4th year of the program. We started off with 18 students to see if we could, see how it would work, and this year, in its 4th year, we have 42 students. As far as I know, there's courses out there in various law schools about depositions and the rules and that kind of thing, but in terms of a practical skills, hands-on intensive program, we're probably one of maybe 5 in the country that provide this kind of program for our students. I feel really privileged to have this year, the 4th year that we've done this. A majority of our faculty, this is their 3rd year participating.
I think it's a great opportunity for me to get back to KU as an instructor now after graduating from here. I think it's a benefit for the students to have some practical skills, get in there and get their hands dirty and simulate what they're going to deal with as practicing attorneys.
These are KU Law alums who have decided that this is something that's important to them. They enjoy it, and they block out their calendar every year.
My favorite thing is seeing the students progress from the first day that they come in until the 3rd day when they're done. Just seeing how far they come. It's very rewarding.